Coleus is colorful ornamental plant that makes your garden beautiful. They are well known for their colorful leaves. We can find multiple varieties of them. In this video, we are going to show the easiest method to propagate Coleus. We have some Coleus plants a few months old. We will collect the cuttings from these plants. These paper cups will be used to plant the cuttings. We need to make holes at the bottom of all of the cups. Cut the branches to make them 2 to 3 inches long. Keep only 3 to 4 leaves at the top. Remove other leaves. You need to use ordinary garden soil to plant the cuttings. The process is very easy. Just insert the branches in the soil. Press the topsoil a little. Apply water and keep them in full shade. This is after 20 days. The plants look healthy and have formed roots. Today, we will transfer them in the final pots. The soil mixture for final potting contains 35% garden soil, 35% organic compost and 30% sand. This soil is well drained due to the presence of sand and contains proper nutrients. This is a 6 inches pot. We need to cover the hole with gravel. Fill the pot halfway. Remove the paper cups. Put the plants in the pot. Cover with more soil. We have planted more than one plant in a single pot. This will make them bushy and look nice. Water them and keep them in partial shade. After 35 days, the plants are growing nicely. To make them bushy, we will trim them. You should cut the main stem 3 to 4 inches above from the ground. Make the cut near the node like this. After 55 days, the plants are grown larger and look bushy. The most important thing is the sunlight. You should keep Coleus plants under partial shade during summer. In other seasons, they should only get the soft morning sunlight. Coleus needs a large amount of water, but extra water should be removed from the pot. Otherwise, the roots and the stems will rot. Thus make sure the soil mixture is very well drained. Apply organic compost or rotten mustard cake solution twice in a month to supply nutrients constantly. If you want to grow them larger, then plant them in 10 to 12 inch pots and trim when needed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.